Hey guys, check this out. It doesn't get much better than this. This is Enerdrive's Adventurer power system, built typically for four-wheel drives. Most people purchasing these systems are using them in the back of four-wheel drive canopies. This is the 03 model. Now, for those that are curious, the 03 simply refers to the Simarine battery monitoring option. So there is an 01 version, which is complete with the ePRO Plus battery monitor. The advantages of this particular model is rather than just monitoring the overall net value of load, we can break those loads down. So if you wish to see what your fridge consumes versus what your solar produces, you can do that with the Simarine model power systems. This particular system includes the ever faithful Enerdrive battery chargers, the 40 amp AC battery charger, suitable for plugging into mains power and generator alike, as well as the DC to DC 40 plus. So in four-wheel drives, you're always limited for space on the roof. If you do have space, feel free to add solar there. Connect it to this unit. Additionally, you can install an Anderson plug and run a loose roaming solar panel as well. And internally, this unit has the Enerdrive 2000 watt inverter with RCD protection for maximum safety. These are a really good kit, guys. Very simple to use. It is complete with 4 2.4 amp USB outlets, pre-wired switch gang there. We have 4 switches, and everything is exceptionally well protected via high quality breakers, labeled for ease of understanding. The thing is, when you first install any system, everything's fresh, but a year later, when you're looking to identify a particular circuit, labeling is key. And Enerdrive have considered that with all of their builds. Our main breakers for the system, everything is correctly protected. Our large breaker here for the inverter, and our slightly smaller breaker for every other common load. If you need to shut the system down at any stage, not only do these breakers act as circuit protection, they also act as master switches as well. Installation is a breeze. With a Phillips screwdriver, we simply need to undo these front covers and access the terminals inside to connect all of your loads, which are pre-assembled, ready. So all you need to do is run your cables from your loads, such as lights, refrigeration and so forth, and connect them to the bar work inside. Connect your solar and your vehicle input into the DC to DC. Plug this into mains when and where applicable. Connect your battery and you're up and running. So let's have a look inside, guys. As you can see, everything is pre-assembled, ready to go. So if I bring your attention to this side first, I mentioned before these breakers are pre-labeled and pre-assembled. So if we go around to the other side here, everything is ready to go. All you need to do is connect your loads to each applicable position. Anything switching via here. And all of our common negative feeds down here. Connect your solar and your vehicle input into the DC to DC charger. And then our main battery negative feed connects to the shunt, and our main battery positive feed connects to the back of these breakers. And that makes for a very easy installation. So there it is, the Enerdrive Adventurer. If you're looking for a premium power system for your four-wheel drive, including a 2000 watt inverter and the very best in battery monitoring today, you can't go past an Enerdrive Adventurer. Stay tuned for more great innovative ideas by the Enerdrive team. Thanks for watching, guys.